Yo, what up? This is How to Be Gangster.
Hello, welcome to episode 3 of The C-Squared Show. I'll be having a special guest this evening. His name is Owen. He's over from Awesome Sauce Plays.
Woman slips on banana peel at a 99-cent store. We got oh god. And we got modern fairy.
Yo, my name is R Drizzle, Faux Shizzle. This is How to Be Gangster. Yeah, enjoy. Or I'll hunt you down and knife you.
Ugh. Smells pretty good. Not too bad.
Don't go down the steps, you might hurt your mom!
That's not very fun. If you fall down and hurt your bone, I like to put my thumb on things.
Excuse me, sir. What do you think about legalizing gay marriage? Good idea? Should you legalize gay marriage?
Fucking degenerate, degenerate.